Hi, welcome to Holy Raw. This is your all-natural skincare pop-up shop. Today, we will be demonstrating how to use our Holy Raw lip kit, which comes with a lip scrub and a lip balm in this very cute packaging. When you get your lip kit, you just want to open the drawer and pull out your products. Start on dry, productless lips. First, begin exfoliating your lips with the lip scrub. This is the O Canada Maple Sugar Lip Scrub. It has been made with real Canadian maple sugar that has been sourced from our local market here in Canada. Massage the maple sugar granules into nice round circles to get rid of all of the dead skin. This lip scrub also has Ghanaian butters and oils inside of it, so that's why we're getting that clear moisturizing sheen after. Use a damp cloth to remove the sugar granules or simply lick it off. It is edible. Next, we want to lock in all the moisture. So we are going to go in with the Balm Hydrating Lip Balm, which has been formulated with Ghanaian butters sourced at Fair Trade from Ghana. Take a pea-sized amount and put it on your lips. Gently massage the lip balm until it melts into a clear sheen. This creates a moisture barrier which locks in moisture onto your lips and also protects your lips from harsh weather elements such as winter. And there you have it. Remove any excess from around your lips. And if you get any on your hands, just simply massage it into your hands and there you go. Say hello to your soft, kissable lips. Here's a quick before and after. As you can see, the lips look nice and moisturized. If you'd like to try out this product, you can always find us at www.holyraw.ca. This makes an excellent gift as well. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching our videos and have a great day. Bye now.